Okay, this is my wigwagger strobe effect. I'm gonna use it on my motorcycle. This is my turn signal flasher relay from the motorcycle. It's a two-prong affair. So I used the in and out from the wigwagger to connect the factory connector, and I'm just using a ground wire to the body for the negative in. And we're gonna see what it looks like when I put the turn signals on. Get a nice strobe effect. I also happen to have an extra LED light for my turn signal so that can be seen at night. It's pretty nice effect. I'm using two LEDs and one incandescent bulb. Also seems to strobe very nice. To the other side. Very simple 3-wire setup. Positive in, positive out, and ground the negative wire on the inside. 3 wires, and use it in the place of your turn signal flasher. Okay, we've got the fast wag strobe light for the brake installed, and we've got the fast wag strobe for the hazards installed. So now we should have strobe effect for the turn signals front and back, and at the same time the brake. 4 burst, 4 slow burst, and steady on. Once again, brake, 4 quick, 4 slow, and steady on. Okay, and that's it.